Hi, I'm Mia Kaplan. I grew up in Durham, North Carolina. I'm a graduate of Earlham College in Richmond, Indiana, where I was a studio arts major in metalworking. During my time in college, I started looking for other creative communities to be a part of, and ended up working at Liberty Arts Sculpture Studio and Foundry as an intern, and then a couple years later at Brooklyn Metalworks. After graduating from college, I was working at a coffee shop and was looking for ways to get back into making. Penland came to mind. I had taken a class at Penland and fell in love with its magic. So I applied, and then I got core, and that was amazing because Penland was exactly the kind of community that I was looking for. I make because I love discovering and thinking about how the world works. I think that's part of why I love metalworking so much, because it's problem solving and there's so much to learn. Making is my way to process and understand the world. It is a very physical experience for me. It makes me aware and connected to my body. I love figuring out how a material moves or how you are able to change it, which is why I gravitate towards metal and glass. I get so much energy from those processes. Making is also a way that I process emotions or relationships or matters of my heart. I like to make narrative objects, and I also make jewelry. I love reaching that point of focus when you're so immersed in a project that it's all that I can focus on. It fuels me. Some symbols that I've been recently obsessed with have been lightning bolts, arrows, and lemon slices, clouds and spirals too. Right now I'm working on making structural wire jewelry. I really enjoy building shapes and structures and building the compositions intuitively. In these mini compositions, I like to find balance and then break that balance. I have also been making miniature domestic scenes involving cloths, clothes, and the implements used to hang them. I enjoy exploring what patterns I can put onto metal and how I can manipulate it to look like cloth. These vignettes are casual and quiet scenes that evoke permanence, impermanence, memory, and nostalgia. I find that building these scenes speaks to shared identity. Being at Penland has meant so much to me because it's amazing to be in a place where so much love, knowledge, and craftsmanship is shared. I love learning new things, and it's been invigorating to try materials I haven't used before. I've grown so much as an artist. I get so much energy from getting to be in class or among my peers and even working in the pines. Penland's supportive and collective environment is exactly what I want to be a part of, and I'm incredibly grateful to be spending this time here.